my god!
Boomer, Daisy said yes. Coffee date at 10.
Bro, your bank account already said no.
Yes. Manifestation finally worked.
Yeah, boy.
I'm bringing my e-game. Just watch.
Your e-game is $200, you dumb fuck.
Money isn't everything in 2026.
Vibes are the new currency, bro.
Vibes don't pay cafe bills, guys.
Huh? Daisy's different. She's not materialistic.
That's what every broke man whispered.
Boomer, stop gatekeeping his romance arc.
I'm gatekeeping his bank balance, Wojak.
Bruh.
A beer a day keeps the romance away?
Nope.
A beer a day keeps the heartbreak away.
Wojak, send updates. Live coverage, please.
Okay.
I'll text when she falls madly in love. Daisy, you look absolutely amazing today.
Thanks, Wojak. This place is really cute.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I'll handle the bill, no worries.
Oh, you really don't have to.
Yeah, boy.
A real man should always pay first.
A broke man shouldn't even be ordering.
Annie, behave for 1 minute, please.
Excuse me, do I know you somehow?
Daisy's roommate. Heard the entire thing already.
Oh, nice meeting you, I guess.
Daisy mentioned you ride a fuel scooter.
The fuck?
It's a fuel-efficient lifestyle choice, alright.
It's a financial reality choice.
Annie, that's actually enough now. So Wojak, plans for this weekend?
Mall trip later with my sister Wanda.
Window shopping, I assume.
Nani?
Wanda, women are extremely confusing lately.
Bro, you're confusing your own self.
Should I buy Daisy a small gift?
With what money exactly, big bro?
I have my next paycheck on Friday.
That's already spent on rent and groceries.
Why are women so brutal lately?
We're brutal because we're tired, big bro.
Huh? Tired of what exactly though, sister?
Tired of pretending broke men are cute.
Yeah, boy.
What's up, Wanda? Looking good today.
Hi, just shopping around. You?
I'm her brother, just so you know.
Oh shit, not good.
Cool. Catch you later, Wanda. Stay blessed.
See, he didn't even try Wanda.
He doesn't have to try.
Oh, come on, man.
Then what do I even need now?
Honestly, a real gym membership.
Why is this treadmill so brutally steep?
Bro, steep is the broke man's lifestyle.
Yeah, boy.
Reels say cardio fixes everything, brother.
Cardio won't fix my empty bank account.
Nothing fixes that. Just accept the misery.
Bruh.
Statistically, broke men are dating coded losers.
Who made these stupid statistics, bro?
TikTok therapists with 3 real followers.
Chad just walked into the women's section.
Bro, that's literally the yoga area.
Same energy, different exploitation level.
Wojak, smile for my podcast clip. Broke men, big dreams, 0 listeners.
I should start one called Cope Daily.
The fuck?
Huh? Wait, the recruiter just called me back.
Yo. That's the glow up arc starting.
Don't forget us when employed, brother.
Later that same evening.
So Wojak, expected salary range?
I was thinking, just market standard.
Market is starving right now, my friend.
Maybe 60,000 annually, negotiable.
Daniel, this candidate looks visibly underprepared.
Sophia is HR. Be careful here, Wojak.
Oh no! Underprepared in what way exactly, ma'am?
Your shirt has a fresh coffee stain.
That happened in the elevator just now.
Bro, elevators don't excuse poverty here.
Are you currently dating someone seriously?
How is that even relevant, Mom?
Married men negotiate harder. Single ones cave.
Bruh.
And single broke men accept anything offered.
Fine. I'll take the offered rate.
Nice.
That's the spirit.
Sign here. Dreams ended officially today.
Daisy still wants dinner tonight somehow.
Good luck affording the appetizer, Mr. Wojak.
Wow, you came with Annie.
No, she is Thea, Annie's twin sister. She is also living with me and Annie.
Okay, she seems more polite than Annie. Oh, nice meeting you, Tia.
Mind your own business.
Never mind.
A few inches later.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Oh, the lobster looks really amazing tonight.
The garden salad also looks super fresh.
Salads aren't dates. They're survival ration.
Wojak, you said we'd celebrate today, remember?
Celebrate getting underpaid, technically speaking.
At least he's emotionally honest now.
Maybe we should just split the check?
No, I got this completely covered.
Got it like you got that promotion?
That was supposed to stay private, Tia.
Wojak, are you actually okay tonight?
Never been broker. I mean better. Daisy, tonight felt really special. Loved it.
Yeah, the food was nice.
Yeah, boy.
Want to meet again this weekend?
I'll let you know.
Bro, I'll let you know means goodbye forever.
Bruh.
She's just busy with work this week.
Or busy with Chad's stuff.
Got promoted at work today, Daisy.
That's cool. Congrats, Wojak. Nice.
We could go somewhere expensive next time.
Huh?
Boomer, she stopped replying suddenly.
Nani?
Why won't women say it directly?
They did. You missed every single hint.
Later that night.
What did they actually want from me?
Stability, confidence, a real bank account.
Boomer, be brutally honest with me tonight.
Bro, you literally are the broke man meme.
Oh shit, not good.
What do I do from tomorrow then?
Build yourself before building anything else, Wojak. Yes, self-improvement arc starts now.
No more dating until I'm financially stable.
Lord Wojak's villain era starts tonight, baby.
I'll be back stronger, smarter, richer. Watch.
Or you'll just be back broke.
Boomer, let me have this moment.